Hey guys, it's Adam with the Bullet Envy channel, and today's video I am back at the land that we got for the range, and I wanted to I found some old structures as I was going through cleaning everything out, and I wanted to just kind of put those on film and just see what you guys thought, see if anybody can kind of tell me what they think it might be. So it's going to be a real short video. Check these out. All right, so coming up on structure one. Now I'm pretty sure this was part of an old house, but we've got 1, 2, 3, and they're kind of connected right there. Then we go up here, here's number 4, and as we go up on it, it's got number 41, and I think that's some sort of construction marker or whatnot when they were actually building the house. And if you look right over here, that looks like an old fireplace. Okay, so definitely comment and say what you think this whole area was. And we've got right here, maybe it looks like it was a porch or some sort of deck. And then it comes down, you got the markers, or the, I guess, foundation blocks, just like that. All right, let's move on to the second structure. All right, so the second structure, not really a structure, but just the thing that I kind of wanted to show you guys because I think it's super cool. Because we only paid, I think it was like 20 grand for this. So 20 grand for this much land is pretty good. But we've got the marker here, and then the marker goes all the way up that way. So got a nice little creek. And the creek actually goes all the way through the entire property. And that is pretty valuable to me. It goes all the way up. Now, I'm about to purchase a little bit of equipment to help with this, but eventually it's not going to be so rickety and grimy. I'm going to make good use of that creek. Oh, look what we got here. Some old bones. Some more old bones. Comment down below if you know what type of skull that is. Coyote, maybe, dog, deer. Here we have the evidence of some D-bags. So I've cleaned trash from this place so much, and I haven't been here in 2 months, and there is just tons of trash left behind. So whoever did that, I appreciate it. And here the creek continues on. I don't know what that is. Not sure what that is. My dad's gonna bring his metal detector and go ham on this place. Some old steel. Oh, got some old tires. Just junk people tossed from the side of the road. Here's another little structure. That is an old well. You can see. Let's go this way. This thing's gonna be so fun when it's done. I can't wait. I decided to make this video for those of you, just because I don't know about y'all, but I love looking at videos where people have bought land and turning it from trash to, you know, something good. I always found those videos really interesting. Got me a burn pile set up here. So, and I cleaned a bunch of trash that I didn't get last time because it was nighttime, but the lady found this. Check that out. That is one big quartz. Super cool. And then found this old hubcap to a car or some sort of stove, maybe. Let me know. I've cleared all this out with chainsaws, weed eaters, and this is probably going to be over there where we were before is going to be where we kind of set up home base and stuff, and then all this is just going to be flat and clean with that piece of equipment I'm getting, and property line goes up there. So all this is just going to be nice and flat with some good grass, and then up here we're going to leave all woods because I want my kids to kind of be able to play in the woods. Oh no! Ah! All right, coming back down This is just kind of where we've been crossing for now. But eventually we'll probably put a bridge from here to here. So zoom out a little bit. Creek, it runs, curves around, runs all the way up there. Here's going to be the bridge or the passing point just from natural erosion. And then over here is more creek. And this is our deep part. I'm going to have to clean this up too, but it goes all the way down. I absolutely love having a creek through this entire property. All right, so now we're going to head over to the second structure. Sorry, I got sidetracked. And sorry for the dog. He's super annoying, but now we've got this, as we see, eventually, I think this is like 1900 and something, 30 maybe, but we got a tree growing up through it. But it's a pretty nice structure, and it is winter right now. Even though today is 73 degrees, I'm super happy about that. All right, here is the next structure. We've got, it's like a wall, and inside is kind of hollowed out, almost like a U. And then up here, a tree has decided to grow up in the middle of it as well. And then as you get up here, that is stairs. So I'm assuming this was part of the foundation, and maybe the house was over here, even though there's no remnants of a house being this way. It's just this and this. So let me know what you guys think these were. I mean, I got a pretty good idea, but a lot of people on YouTube, so give me some info. The next structure that I've came to is my favorite. So I'm keeping the camera kind of low for privacy reasons, but check out that rock wall. Now check this guy out. He's way up there. So from my height, I'm about 5'10", 5'11". I would come up to maybe about here. And then that's probably a good, I don't know, 15, 20 feet way up there. Haven't made it up to the top of this one yet, but coming around, I'm assuming it's foundation stuff. And then, oh, tripped. Little nook, and then you've got another one that's not so high, and it's kind of squared off at the front and then triangles out each side and then connects to a retaining wall here and this retaining wall. So as we come in, yeah, oh, really neat little wall. See, that's the top of that. It's flat and kind of hollowed out on each side, then connects to that wall and keeps going down. Okay, and here's the back side. Sorry, there's so many thorns. Here's the back side. Not sure what that is. It looks like a foundation pillar. It's kind of recessed here like a triangle and then goes that way and then squares off. But just to see this on this land, this is old. This is 1900s. What it looks like. I don't know. It's just super cool. Just wanted to share it with you guys as we come around and follow this wall. I should be having a driveway cut in here within the next month. So super excited to be able to bring the camper, park here, and not have to park on the side of the road. And it's not just going to be all about work. I'll be able to have gravel, a parking area, a place to keep certain equipment. It's going to be nice. Sorry for the raw footage and the shaky camera. I'm just kind of trucking through the woods. I don't have my tripod or my mic or anything like that. Just bare bones footage. And so we've left the one structure. Now we're going to climb this steep hill and go to the next one, which oddly enough is all the way on the other side of the property. So I'll meet you there. All right, so I'm at the other side, and the company that sold it to me, I guess they left all that there, but I've got a lot of cleaning to do. So now we come up on the third ish kind of structure. And it's a wall. This is on the opposite side. So if you look, one of those structures is way over there and the other one is way over here. So it's a ton of land, at least for me, because where I live is only a little less than an acre. So, but we've got this wall here, and then as I went up even further, there's more of those pillars and I guess supports, like house supports. And I found a lot of concrete and rebar. Let's go up there. So there's this. This is not rock. I mean, that's solid concrete. And it's just broken. There's little pieces all over the place. Looks like this was something at one point and then it just kind of fell. Or erosion. And all this dirt is really thick here. And then as you go down, that's that wall we just looked at right through there. Well, it's winter time, so there's no mosquitoes, and I got bit by something, so hoping that's not a spider. So as you see right here, it's like fairly flat considering, and then right through here is that road, and then it runs right through there, and it's all a flat road, and then there's that wall right there. So I don't know if you got any ideas on what that might have been, you know, 100 years ago. Let me know. Oh, hey little guy. Sorry about your misfortune. But yeah, it's very raw, very junky right now. But I never leave anything junky. I always turn it into something better than when I found it. And honestly, I've been really excited to let my kids play in all this and be in the woods. You know, we have a good front yard in my house, but not really woods like this. And super excited to have this and kind of turn it into a little getaway, a place from home, and use it as a range, because you know where I'm at, I had neighbors, and not very many neighbors out here. So I'm going to bring you guys along each time and just kind of let you see the progress of what I do. And if you like this content, click here and I'll show you other videos of like-minded things. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little mini walk around for the property. And I can't wait to bring you guys along. Hope you're having a great day. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Bullet Envy out.